Paramount Studios, a legacy of cinematic excellence. Paramount Studios, officially known as Paramount Pictures, stands as one of Hollywood's most iconic and enduring film studios. Established in 1912, it holds the distinction of being the oldest operating major film studio in the United States. Located at 5555 Melrose Avenue, Hollywood, California, the studio has been the birthplace of countless cinematic classics and continues to be a significant player in the entertainment industry. Historical overview. Founded by Adolf Zukor, Jesse L. Lasky, and W. W. Hodgkinson, Paramount Pictures quickly rose to prominence with the release of early feature films. Over the decades, the studio has been responsible for producing and distributing numerous landmark films, including The Godfather, Titanic, and the Mission: Impossible series. These films not only achieved commercial success, but also garnered critical acclaim, solidifying Paramount's reputation for quality storytelling. Studio facilities and services. The Paramount lot spans 65 acres, featuring 30 sound stages, diverse backlot sets, and state-of-the-art production facilities. The studio offers a comprehensive range of services to filmmakers, including soundstage rentals, equipped with advanced acoustics and technology to accommodate various production needs. Backlot locations, versatile outdoor sets replicating urban streets, suburban neighborhoods, and international locales. Post-production services, cutting-edge editing, sound design, and visual effects capabilities to ensure a polished final product. These facilities have been utilized for a myriad of productions, ranging from blockbuster films to acclaimed television series. Studio tours. For cinema enthusiasts and tourists, Paramount offers guided studio tours that provide an insider's look into the filmmaking process. Visitors can explore historic sound stages, iconic film sets, and learn about the studio's rich history. These tours offer a unique glimpse into the behind-the-scenes workings of Hollywood. Recent developments. In recent years, Paramount has continued to adapt to the evolving media landscape. The studio has expanded its focus to include streaming content, partnering with platforms like Paramount Plus to distribute original series and films. Additionally, Paramount has been involved in significant industry mergers and acquisitions, reflecting its ongoing commitment to growth and innovation in the entertainment sector. Paramount Studios remains a cornerstone of Hollywood's storied history, continually contributing to the art and business of filmmaking. Its blend of historical significance and modern innovation ensures that it will remain a pivotal institution in the world of entertainment for years to come.